Hi, welcome to Visualize. Hi, welcome to Visualize, the tool for Hi, welcome to Visualize, the tool for making rapid prototypes and small-scale and large-scale visualizations. Now, Visualize is a platform. It's not just one tool, and we hope that the users here at AT&T will find very creative ways to extend upon the Visualize platform. So you start at the home page after you signed in, and you can see all the visualizations that you have made. You can click and view them, you can delete them, but I'll come back to that later. For now, let's start with the demo. Hi, welcome to Visualize, the tool for making robust visualizations. Hi, welcome to Visualize, a tool for creating small-scale and large-scale visualizations in minutes. It's a platform for creating charts, graphs, tables, whatever your data may stretch to be. It's as simple as Hi, welcome to Visualize, the tool for making small-scale and large-scale visualizations. Now, visualization can be a simple pie chart, or it can be very robust, like multi-line charts and multi-bar graphs, and even further past that to heat maps. Visualize is a platform that we hope that every project at AT&T in the future will be using to help meet their project deadlines a lot quicker in both prototyping and embedding the visualizations that they create on our platform into their website. The homepage allows you to see all of the visualizations that you have made. We will go through how to first create a visualizations, and then we'll come back to the homepage where we can test out the view and deleting buttons. Now, the user is very new to our application and they're not really sure what kind of visualizations we offer, then they can go to the demo. And in the demo, they can select different chart types to kind of get a real world look into what we can support. Okay. So in these other two tabs, I have reusable REST APIs formatted as JSON. And maybe we want to take these these data sets and create visualizations out of them. So that's whenever we go to plot. Hi, welcome to Visualize, the tool for making small-scale and large-scale visualizations and rapid prototypes. It's a platform that we hope that every AT&T project in the near future will onboard to help meet their project deadlines a lot faster. A visualization can be something simple like a pie chart to something very, very big and robust like a heat map. Visualize allows you to take reusable APIs today and turn them into visualizations in minutes. So if a user is new to our page, the home page will show them the visualization that they have made. If they made any in the past, I'm signed in here as me, so I have one visualization for me. And if a user is new and they're not really too sure what kind of visualizations we offer, then they can go to the demo page, which allows them to select through a couple of different visualizations that we offer If they go back to the home page, there's a nice animation to greet the user. And now, what I have over here on these other tabs are two reusable REST APIs with data in them. So what we want to do is take some of this robust data and quickly drop them into visualizations using Visualize. So if they go to plot, they can put any REST API in, such as this one. They can select what kind of chart they want to make. Let's make a simple one here, just a pie chart. And we have contextual forms here, so based off of the chart type, it'll tell you what different things you want to, or it will provide suggestions on how you pick your data. So now it's asking us to make some labels. So let's say we want to make labels based off of names, or yes, names. So we see here that it allows us to see what attribute of their JSON data that they want to pick from. So we're going to pick name. And then we can select a set of values. So we're just going to pick a set of numbers, like age. And then it tells us that it saved our data. And if we scroll down, we'll see that there's an export to PNG button, and there's a nice visualization that was made. So now if we go back to main, and we scroll down, we see that we have a new visualization that was made. Okay. If we click the view button, it allows us to revisit a standalone snapshot of that image. Excuse me, it's not just a snapshot. This is actually, whenever it gets loaded, it pulls your API fresh and redrafts the graph through a committed hard link. As we can see, we have a unique ID associated with this visualization. So if your REST API on your end changes, updates, expands, grows, then this graph will grow dynamically. And this is a reusable D3 component that is ready to plug right into your website. So that's cool. But what happens if we have a very complicated order? Let's say we want to compare all of the IDs and the junks down a couple levels deep into our data. That can be kind of difficult as your JSON data grows. Luckily, Visualize handles that as well. So we're going to use this REST API. We're going to select a discrete bar graph. We're going to go down to records. As we can see, we want to go from records down to TRX to the junk for our labels. And it allows us to select until we actually get to something with a good value, a valid value for that prompt. And now if we go down to select the values, we go to records, go to TRX, and then select IDs, and our data has been saved, and here's a visualization. Again, if we go back to the main page, we can scroll down, and now we have a third visualization, all tied to Firebase 2. This is a really revolutionary platform, so we use really revolutionary tools. We use an Angular 2, Firebase 2, multi-service or microservices as our architecture. So if you hit view, it's actually a separate application that is best at reloading your data. Great stuff. So we'll do one more example, just to show that we can support other types of graphs. So this time we're going to go back to test data, get API. We're going to select the multi-bar horizontal graph. And this time we need a name. These are more of your series names if you're used to Excel. So I'm going to call the first one bar 1. Then it wants us to pick our labels for bar 1. And if we go, let's say name again. And for the values, we're going to pick age. Are you done picking data sets? We're not, so we're going to hit cancel. And then it allows us to pick a second name for our graph, or a name for our second bar graph. I'm going to hit submit. Now it wants us to pick our labels for bar 2. This time we're going to use company. And we're going to use index. And this time we're going to say, okay, we're ready. Saved our data. We scroll down and now we have a multi-bar graph just like that. Very easy. Go back to main. We have a fourth visualization. Now we have the standalone graph. It was ready to import into our website very easily. Now the best part about all this is that it's responsive. Right, so if we crunch it down into a mobile size, the visualization scales with your different layouts. And if we're done, we just hit delete and our visualization's gone. Thank you.